All right, I thought I'd better give you a quick update on how our life has been going at the moment. As most of you know, that my dad died about two months or 2.5 months ago. Well, my mum decided to follow him through, and so she died a couple of weeks ago, and so we've been out to Sydney and seeing mum off, and it's been a difficult time, and we really haven't had much motivation to work on the car for a little while, but we're slowly getting back into it. And of course we've lost we haven't got any, I shouldn't say we haven't lost anything, but we haven't done any footage, so we've got no footage, and that's why our videos are so far in between. Far in between. Is that the word?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I think people understand what we're trying to say.
Yeah. Anyway, so it's been a difficult time. So anyway,
we're back now.
Yeah, we're back now, and we'll be all good. So
hopefully have a few coming.
We want to get that tray in and finish up the back floor. We really are running behind, so to speak. And I wouldn't mind even doing some work on some other cars. I feel the urge to work on the XWs. So yeah, and thank everybody. I thank everybody for subscribing and for the comments. And we're nearly up to 500 subscribers now, which is pretty amazing, really, considering we're bloody hopeless.
Yeah, who would want to look at your ugly mug?
Yeah. And, I muddle up my words and can't say anything straight, but yeah. And, so that's just the way of it. Alrighty, enjoy the video.
I can probably make...
Josh, he likes to watch, doesn't he? He reckons, he says to his girlfriend the other day, I'm not a gynecologist, but I'll take a look anyway. I bet you all can't guess what this is. No, I am wrapped in having this, and I've got to give a plug to the people that made it. There's Michael, Mick at Retro Rods, and Sonia, and thank you very much. They did a fantastic job in making this and getting it to me so quickly, and you know, staying in mind that they're very busy and it's coronavirus and they had to make it and stuff, so it was probably, you know, so don't order it and expect it the next day. And but it's a great product. You've got to remember that this is a replacement, you know, section. It's not genuine, so there is some little variations, but you know, it's fantastic, and I know I'll tweak it to get it in. It's got one little bit of damage in one corner where it's been bent over, but nothing too major. Just had a bit of a hit in transport, and I'm wrapped. So thanks Michael, or Mick, bloody hell you're a funny name, and Sonia for doing that, and it's well packaged too. Got more paper than a poker stick out there. Okay, thanks a lot for that.
So since we got that, we're going to work on getting the inside of all here done so we can fit the tray. So, and do this bit, this, all of it, aren't we?
Yep. Someone's going to wonder why we drilled so many holes in there. I drilled the hole so I found all the pinprick holes so I wouldn't miss any. Once you've drilled the hole there, you can't go back.
Alright, just every time we turn this car, we've just new stuff comes
We
out.
dry fitted the tray, which we forgot to film, sorry, and it fits okay. I think if I had my time again, I'd probably fit it prior to putting the wheel tubs in, and so if anybody wants to know that, I think I wouldn't do, at least I'd do them at the same time. very least I didn't, because you can tweak things and you can't tweak these wheel tubs, they're in solid now. Admittingly they're exactly where they used to be, and I really mean exactly, but it's a bit of a call to get the wheel.
It's going to be a lot of work.
Yeah, it is.
But
it's a bit daunting at the spending a minute at a time, but yeah, I don't know, inch at a time, 1 millimetre at a time.
I don't see it daunting. I don't know, that doesn't worry me because you're going to do most of it and I'm just going to weld it.
Yeah. Anyway, here we are. Josh has been at it here. Can you see that? And we've got to weld 2 plates in, the inner plate and then the outer plate. And am I look? Yeah, I'm roughly. Anyway, so that's all honky dory. So that'll be good. And on my side, I've been doing this plate here. And here I am on this side, and this is the patch I'm making for this. And that's going to go in there. But it all needs a bit of a massage, but that's the general idea. Quick squeeze on this side. We're about to weld it. Well, then we're going to weld on the high spot. So we're welding on this high spot here and then on the high spot on the other side. So it's really easy to grind because I hate grinding down in the low spots.
Hate grinding, period.
Yeah, grinding sucks. Anyway, there is one type of grinding he likes.
He's happy because he likes this part.
He likes grinding in one way. I don't know, you guys know what I mean. He just took the phone off me, you know. I don't know. Very cool. He's got boots and getting him ready for working. Okay, thought I'd bring you back. Told you I'd bring you back. I didn't lie. So that's it, it's welded in now. So a bit of a grind here. It's get hot. I'll take you around the other side and show you that in a second. So once that's ground, you wind everything, and I'm very happy with my curve, of course. And you know, I may not be perfect, but I'm so close to it, it doesn't matter. And this is this side. So that's, I'm pretty pleased with that. So next shot you'll see is it's ground and done, and then we're going to move on to something else, probably this section here. All right, cheerio.
Have a look what you made.
It doesn't fit. All right.
I want to see it.
I'm still massaging. Yep, get a backache, don't you? Yeah. There. Anyway, just look. That's one of 2 patches going in. Okay. This is welded in. I'm growing that weld back, and then I'll make the second. Oops, you've got to be able to see. I'll make the second plate that goes in there. Just there, and it goes along there. So once I've ground that, so that's the inner plate. So sandwich, they rust between each other. But that's really nice. Probably actually it could just be tapped in. Sneaking up on me.
Made a plate. Look at all my hard work making that plate all by my lonesome.
I made that plate. He lies. Now she'll work. Good. Put that, anyway, so that's it there. And, I'll grind that back. That's got a plate underneath it as well as a new one on top. See? I'll have to clean all that up. I'm probably not going to bother grinding that. It's you can never ever see it again, and it's just better like that. Well, that old seam seal in here. Yeah, there's a gap there. That's just a gap. Just a gap in the old bodywork. Yeah. All right. I'm out. Alrighty. Oh, where did we fix, Josh? Again, I can't remember. Where was it? Oh, it was here. Oh. Yeah, that'll do, won't it? I think that's good enough. Paint's wet there, and we did there too. Down there, that was rusty. So, it's just quite adequate. I'm very happy with that. Anyway, that's it. So that's another couple of jobs done.